Welcome to how to earn money through Facebook or Instagram tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using SaaS or software as a service. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So how does software as a service works? So if you have a business and you have an audience for that business, or you want to make that audience, you can use Facebook and know what exactly the audience needs. And when you know exactly that, you can make a software and sell it as a service for your audience. So as you see here, there's a lot of examples for SaaS apps and SaaS programs like Slack, Shopify, Zoom, Salesforce, Dropbox, and more and more. All they do is selling their software as a service that will be paid monthly, yearly, or anything else. So after you make that software, you can go to Facebook and share it here. So that's how SaaS using Facebook works. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.